My name's Charles. Let's do a quick video review of the Grocery Getter Performance motor mount for the E210 Corolla. Got that thing probably 2 or 3 months ago, and I love it. I'm just gonna go ahead and preface that right now. Too long didn't read. I love it. Buy it. The install was absolutely cake. Did it in about 45 minutes. As far as the performance goes of that mount, once I got that part in my car, the startup with that thing, the first startup was mean. It was sweet. First series of shifts, absolutely crisp, spot on. I didn't realize that the shifting in the car was as sloppy and kind of clunky as it was until I put that motor mount in. Completely changed the way that the car felt on startup in the shifts. Fantastic. It feels very together. It feels very put together. It feels very, very tight. I like it. It took probably 3,000 or 4,000 miles to break in, so like under 2,000 RPMs. The vibrations can be a little fun, but it's doing its job, you know. I honestly, I can't say enough good about it. It's changed the way my car felt. I haven't had any more skipping tires. I haven't had any more like jerk starts or anything like or coming off the line or anything. If you're looking for like a single mod to do to increase the drivability of your car, I would say that dollar for dollar, this is probably right up there. Be frank about it. The 140 something wheel horsepower it comes with from the stock is anemic. It's never gonna be a power monster, but it made the car fun. I hesitate to say that you're gonna find a more immediate payoff for your money, dollar. I will tell you that the posterior dyno, the butt dyno, it definitely felt like the car had a little more zazz, you know, a little more get up and go. And honestly, that's probably just because it's more efficiently putting the power down and it's locked everything down. I highly recommend you give them a shout out. Go hit them up. Honestly, you really don't have much to lose. If you did sit through all this, thank you. And give Grocery Getter Performance a look at for this thing. They're a great company, small operation. I think they're down in Texas, and you know, turning out some really quality products. I'm also running the Grocery Getter throttle body spacer. I also recommend that as well. I haven't had any of their products so far that I haven't liked, and I've been happy, very, very, very happy with my purchases so far. So that being said, I wish all of you just like the very best this upcoming year. Stay safe.